Hello everyone, this is Cosby Finance Leke, and I'll be explaining to you how you could actually use this strategy to scalp the markets. Now, if you're new to this channel, I'd like you to hit the subscribe button and also to click the bell button so you get notifications whenever we upload videos like this. And if you're not part of the signal channel on Telegram, please do so to join Telegram channel where we drop signals from time to time, and we also teach ourselves new strategies. All right, so quickly, a lot of persons actually asked me to share this strategy with them, and I'm just going to show you. It's more or less like a scalping strategy, and it's best used on the 1 minute chart. So after setting up your chart is expected to look just like this. Your chart is expected to look like this. Yeah. So the first thing you want to do is you want to be on the 1 minute time frame. Yes, I know a lot of you is gonna like this strategy because the strategy is fast, and nevertheless you need to exercise a lot of caution when trading this so that you don't get false signals. So quickly, now how does this work? I'll be showing you the settings. You'll be using basically your Ichimoku indicator. So let me just show you. Okay, now on your main chart you're gonna have the Ichimoku indicator, and these are the settings of the Ichimoku indicator. You have your Tenkan Sen as 1, you have your Kinjan Sen as 1, and your Senko span as 70. Yes, then for the colors, you now you change your Tenkan Sen to white. Now the reason why I use white is because the background of my chart is black, so that's why I used white. Now the Kinjun Sen is purple, and the second span, if you're on mobile phone, you'll notice that the second span A and the second span B, they'll be itemized separately, but here because I'm on PC, that is why they are together. So for the second span A, you have it as green, and second span B, you have it as red. Then your Chiku span is going to be the color of the background of your chart. So if you're on mobile and the background of your chart is white, then your second span will be white. But if you're on mobile also and your background of your chart is white, then your Tenkan Sen, which is this, is going to be what? It's going to be black. So have that in mind. Is the opposite. This will be the color of your second Chiku span, will be the color of your chart, the color of your chart background. Tenkan Sen will be the opposite of the background of your chart. So having done this, then you click OK. All right, now so your chart is going to look just like this. Then you're going to add moving averages. You add moving average 300, linear weight, then apply to weighted close. You can see period 300, method linear weight, applied to weighted close. Then you have this as 100, create 100, linear weight, then apply to previous indicator. I think this is very straightforward. A lot of persons come to the comment section and they ask questions like what their chart is looking different. All you need to do is watch the video in total. You don't need to come and be asking questions on settings. The reason why this video is being made is so that you can actually visualize what is being done. So if you didn't get it, all you need to do is just go back and rewatch the video again. That's all. You're good to go. All right, so just select previous indicator data, yeah, and that's it. Then style, just give it any color you want, but I use white right here. Now make sure, another warning is, make sure you set up the 300 in linear weight moving average first before setting the 100, because the 100 is leaning on the 300. So if you set the 100 before the 300, you won't get the kind of results that I have on my chart here. So please endeavor to do that. Then when you're done, you click OK. All right, when you're done, you just click OK. Then you come to your main window and you do the same thing. Now on your main window, let me just show you. The first is you create the RSI indicator. Now the RSI indicator, the period is 1000, and the levels that you're going to be using is 100, 80, and 80, 0, and 20. So you're going to be having 4 levels. You can see 80, 20, 100, 0. That's it. So the parameters is period 1000, apply to close, then the style, use none. But if you're on mobile, if you can use the background of your chart, the color of the background of your chart. So if your chart is white, just use white, because you might not find none on mobile. So having done that, you set your levels 0, 20, 80, and 100, period 1000, then you click OK. All right, so your chart should be looking like this. Then you will now add the ICHIMOKU indicator. You drag the ICHIMOKU into your RSI for PC, and for mobile you just need to click that particular window. You will see an F sign beside indicator window 1. You see an F sign, just click that F sign, and you'll be able to add an indicator on that same indicator window. So the settings for the ICHIMOKU will be the same as the previous we added to the main chart. So you're going to have 170, then the same colors as we set for the main chart. Also, it's all the same. Then your moving average is also the same. You use the 300 first, linear weighted, then apply to weighted close, then give it your color. Then your 100 also is going to lean on the 300 linear weighted previous indicator data is what you're applying it to. All right, so then you have a chart looking like this. Yeah, so I believe that's straightforward. So do not forget that if you need signals, we have a premium signal group also, and we have a free signal group. All you need to do is just to check the link below, and you will see the link to the signal group is in the description below. All right, now quickly, you will see that your chart should be looking just like the way my chart is right here. And I want to give you a word of caution here, because you shouldn't be greedy when trading this strategy. If you are greedy, trust me, you're gonna be taken out. You're gonna be taken out fast. Now, without wasting much time, how do we want to use this? Now, in using this is very simple. The first thing you want to do is you want to make sure that your moving averages have crossed on your main chart and on your indicator window. This is your indicator window here. Now you can see here that the indicator crossed. I see that the moving averages rather, they crossed upwards, and you can see that the the moving average also crossed upwards here. Now on the indicator window, you want to make sure that the cross occurred, since it's an upward cross, you want to make sure that it occurred below 20, that is between 0 and 20, like just like this. Then that means the price has dropped and is oversold, and we are waiting and we are ready for an upward direction, or an upward movement. Now the next thing you want to do is you want to look at your Ichimoku. You want to make sure that your Ichimoku is on the green already, and you want to make sure that both the Ichimokus on the main window and the indicator window are on the green already. So the moment you see these conditions being met, all you need to do is just to place your entry and you're good to go. Now let's look at this. For instance, see what is happening on the chart. You can see the Ichimoku has changed to red. You can see the Ichimoku has changed to red also. Now what we're waiting for is a cross of our moving averages. If they cross downwards, then we know we are set. Now then, do not forget that on your main indicator window, you want to make sure that these indicators, you want to make sure that they both cross above 80, that is overbought. You want to make sure that this cross occurs between 80 and 100, that's overbought. So the moment this occurs, then you know that you are in for a good downtrend. But if this cross does not occur above 80 or between 80 and 100, I would advise that you leave it, so that you don't get yourself caught up in false signals. All right, so let's just look at some possible scenarios. You can see like here, you can see somewhere like here, you can see they crossed here and it also crossed here and it's above 80, and you can see that it's already turned red. So you just place your entry just right here, then you ride this wave. Then let's look at another setting. You can see something similar here. All right, you can see something similar here. I see something similar here. That's it. You can see something. That's it. So it just makes life easy for you. You can see this is a green and this is your green, and you enter just right here. Yeah, so do make sure that you backtest this strategy, maybe on demo preferably, before you actually take it live on your live account. Don't be in a hurry, and don't be greedy. So if you enjoyed this video, I'd like to smash the like button, and also please do share this video with your friends so that they can also profit from this video. And do not forget to join the Telegram group where we give signals. And if you also will be interested in the premium signals, also you can also check the Telegram group. All link are in the description below. All right, so I remain your boy Lekki Cosby Finance, and I'd like to see you in the next video. Take care and bye for now.